Running just one call flow is fine if your business only does one thing. But if you've got multiple services, teams, or campaigns, then multiple call flows lets you build and customize effortlessly. To get started, on the call flows page, you'll see all your call flows in one place, plus the option to create additional ones. Click Create an advanced call flow, and choose from one of the templates. Each flow is separate, so build it exactly the way your team needs. Give your call flow a clear and descriptive name so you can instantly tell what it's for, and which number or team it relates to. To link a number to this flow, go to Assign Number and pick the phone number you want assigned. This means each brand, campaign, or department can have its own unique call journey, all live at once. Please note, you cannot assign any number already assigned to another active call flow. Before you hit Save and Enable, double-check that your call flow is completely mapped out. No missing actions, no loose ends. After saving your call flow, you'll land on the call flows page again. Each card shows the flow name, assigned number, and its key icons, plus whether it's active or a draft. It's the quickest way to see what's live and who the call flow is assigned to. And that's how you create multiple call flows, giving every number its own tailored journey so your business stays organized, efficient, and sounding professional.